is my favorite. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Cheryl here. Welcome back to another vlog. So this week's video is going to be about what I eat in a week. Actually what I eat in a day. I thought it'd be interesting to show you how to stay like healthy, though there are times that we fall off tracks and eating like snack and treats. But on a regular day, it's still like a daily goal, trying to stay healthy as possible. So yeah, I would love to show you everything I eat on a day.
That is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my world in every place. It's the things that you do, and it's the smile on your face. And as time goes by, that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. Always, yeah. You are my world in every place. Oh, oh, oh. It's the things that you do. It's the things you do, baby. It's the smile on your face. Smile on your face. And as time goes by,
Right now, I'm gonna run some errands. I have a few things I need to get. One of the things is the gift wrapping paper. It's almost Christmas, and I want to wrap all the presents before it's too late. So yeah. How's it going?
There's a sparkle in your eyes. I feel the warmth of your skin.
Hey there, I just got back and I finished some work on the computer and I went to the grocery store to just pick up a few things, just like the regular stuff. One of them is my favorite. If you watch my video, you know how much I'm obsessed with Uber milk. We're kind of low on this, so that's why I picked up another one. Got some really healthy cereal. This is Kashi Go Rice. I just love this cereal. It's so healthy and it has protein in it, 12-gram protein. So that's like the healthy and fulfilling type of breakfast. Take a break because I will make dinner in an hour and the dinner is gonna be soup with udon in it. It's gonna be delicious. Alrighty guys, so I'm about to make a soup and I just want to kind of quickly go over most of the ingredients that would go into the soup. First we have half cauliflower, 3 regular sized carrots chopped, half a bowl of white mushroom, and 1 from tofu. You know, these are just the broiled from tofu. You can use regular ones, doesn't really matter. And then here's the vegetable broth and 1 full onion chopped. Also, I will add good protein, which is, you know, meat in there because we're not vegan, and you will see it later. So yeah, I'm gonna get it cracking.
Filled with two